All right, I was in the doldrums today. I've been tired all day just sitting around the house. And I'm like, I need to get out and do a brew and feed adventure. It's been a while. So I'm sick of all the stuff I've been cooking. I ate some beef last night and I'm not beef doesn't agree with me that well. So I want something different, something unique. I do this Lush creamy chicken and pasta dish. So I'm gonna hook that up. But before I do that, I'm gonna hit up Neoteric Brewing Company and have a flight. Haven't been here in a while. It's probably been about a year. So let's go check them out. They're here in Huntersville, North Carolina. So let's go check them out, see if they still know how to brew strong. All right, I'm here at Neoteric Brewing Company. I met the folks here back when they first opened, and a couple times since then. They're doing a great job, got a great community, got a great patio, nice facility, great brew house. They're gonna grow up to be somebody. But right now, I'm here and I got a flight. The flight, I got a Czech Pilsner called High Czech. I got a West Coast IPA called West on I-40. I got a lavender rice lager, and I got a a Scotch ale called Heavyweight. So I'm gonna check these beers out and see how they've come along since they started. So let's go see if they still know how to brew strong. All right, I just left Neoteric. The beers were amazing. The Czech Pilsner is outstanding. It is my #1 favorite style of beer, FYI, in case you didn't know. I am gonna go get some stuff to make this pasta dish, and we'll go home and finish up the brew and feed adventure by feeding well. See you over there. Done at Publix. About to go back to the crib and hook this stuff up. Classic shrimp and pasta dish. All right, I'm done with the Lush pasta and shrimp dish. Marinara sauce, Parmesan cheese, a little half and half creamer. So it's like a creamy tomato-based sauce. You see. So let's give it a taste test real quick, and I'll give you my thoughts.
So it's creamy, tomatoey, very garlicky, oniony. So if you can imagine a creamy tomato sauce over some shrimp, lots of seafood flavor. I use a lobster bouillon cube. I actually use better than bouillon, which is like I don't know, it's like a thick kind of sauce that you use instead of a bouillon cube. I use that to give it a lot more seafood flavor. So it's got a little bit of lobster flavor to it, which is really nice. Well-balanced meal. I'm pairing this dish with our Rye River IPA that Brewery Feed brews and distributes. This beer it's got a honey-like sweetness balanced with a lot of hops. So it's got a good aroma. It's got a lot of citrusy and piney flavors to it too. So it's sort of a West Coast style IPA. It's a little hazy because there's a lot of rye in here, so you get a rye bite to it. Balances real well with that creamy kind of texture, because any beer that's a little hoppy, a little bitter is going to balance out anything that's creamy, kind of wash that off your tongue, cleanse your palate for the next bite. So that's what we're rolling with. Rye River Honey Rye IPA, brewed by yours truly, distributed here in North Carolina. I hope you get a chance to make this. Enjoy. And if you can't find my beer here in North Carolina, anywhere you go, just find a nice, crisp West Coast style IPA. Bell's Brewery in Michigan releases the beer every year. It's called Hop Slam. Similar profile. If you ever had Hop Slam, it's a similar profile to this beer. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this Brew and Feed adventure. And there goes Freddie. Hope you enjoyed this Brew and Feed adventure, and you get a chance to make this dish for yourself. Brew strong and feed well. Thanks, Freddie. Thanks for the extra commentary, Freddie. Really appreciate that. You want a treat? What you want a treat?